This is the Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the Sea Where I Live. I think because I made so many videos on the periodic table of elements and trying to memorize ways to remember the chemical symbols and the atomic numbers of these elements, I think it's better if I rewind and go back to the beginning. Okay? When you go to the supermarket, when you go outside and see signs all around you, when you hear names of famous people, when your family calls your name, or you call your family's name, or hear the names call, you can break all these words and names and everything and down into chemical symbols and atomic number. For example, B, US for bus, BUS, B for boron, U for uranium, and S for sulfur. You get my point? You could do that. Now, let's go to the cereal box. Okay? CORN is corn, and BISCUITS. All this can be broken down into chemical symbols and also atomic number. But first, let me break them down to chemical symbols before we hit the atomic number. We got corn, right? Corn is C for carbon, which is 6, O for 8, for oxygen, which is 8, and RN. Now, RN, you have to put a capital R right here, and then a small n, not a small r, okay? You have radon, which is 86 atomic number. So if you see corn, that's carbon, that's oxygen, that's radon, without the atomic number. Then you have to realize that the CO, which is carbon and oxygen put together, you can also change that by putting a small zero, a small O, next to the large C, and you get cobalt, which is 27, cobalt. So you can take the capital C and the O for carbon and oxygen, and you can reduce it. I mean, not reduce it. You can change it to a capital C and a small O for cobalt, COBALT. So you can have 27 for you can have cobalt and radon together, or you can have carbon and oxygen and radon together for corn. Same thing you can do with biscuits. See biscuits? You got if you use biscuits, for example, you got the BISCUITS. Now, if you take the B and the I from biscuits, let's say that's the capital I. It could be 5 for boron and 53 for iodine. But you can put together the BI together. Instead of having 5 and 53, you have a capital B and a small I for 83 atomic number for bismuth. Bismuth is spelled BISMUTH. Bismuth. Okay? Or you can keep BI, boron, you can keep that, boron and iodine, or you can combine them both. Capital B and a small I for 83 atomic number for biscuits. Then you got the S for sulfur, capital S for sulfur at 16, and you got the C and the U for copper, which is 29. Copper 2 can be reduced. You can take the C, U from copper, not reduce, a change, and you can have a large C for carbon. You can have a large capital U for uranium, and separate it. But I put it together here as copper, 29. Then you got a small I, but if you capitalize the I, which you have no choice, it becomes 53 atomic number. It becomes iodine. Now TS has to be capitalized because that's a chemical symbol, a new one. Capital T and S is 117 atomic number. It's just been added not too long ago to the periodic table of elements. It's pretty new. It's a synthetic chemical. Just created in a laboratory. Okay? So that's TS, and that stands for Tennessine. Capital TENNESSINE. That's because in the state of Tennessee, there's a laboratory there, and they were working on this there. And that's where the work was done to discover TS as Tennessine, which is 117. So it's named after the state. Tennessine, Tennessee. If you see the similarity, okay? So corn biscuits all these are chemical symbols. Okay, I'm gonna write all this down in the description box below. Don't get scared and say, oh, you're going too fast. I'm gonna write in the description box below. Okay, so that's how it is. You got what I'm saying to you? So corn biscuits. Here's what you can go. I can go to the store and say, oh, corn biscuits, C, carbon, oxygen, radon, or put it together, CO, cobalt, radon, or you can say bismuth, Bi, bismuth, sulfur, copper for Cu, iodine, TS, Tennessine, or B for boron and I for iodine, S for sulfur, C for carbon, U for uranium, capital I for iodine, and capital T and small s for Tennessine. And you got all this is chemical symbols. If you want to add the atomic numbers, I'll put in the description box below. You can do that too if you want to be more advanced in remembering your periodic table of elements. Okay, this is just like to go by. You don't have to do the atomic number. Just do it this way. Okay, or just the atomic chemical symbol. Okay, for the beginning. If you're a beginner. All right. This is Wise Out 2 coming at you from the Sea where I live. Go to the description box below. I'm going to rewrite this right now for you. Okay, over and out. Bye bye.